Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm going to introduce you to my dream box. So on the left side, you can see three girls wearing white t-shirts. They look pretty comfortable and familiar with each other, which is why I picked them to represent my friends and a recent dream I had about them. I can remember I was with 4 or 5 of them, and we were sharing secrets. Although I cannot remember most of the dream, I remember myself having fun and enjoying the time with my friends. Now at the bottom of the box you can see many types of flowers which represent a dream I had a few weeks ago. I was in a huge field of flowers, and I could see absolutely nothing but flowers. There are thousands of them I've never seen before. In the dream, I remember being upset about something that I cannot seem to remember right now, and just kept walking and walking. After waking up from the dream, I was confused about why so many flowers were present and if it meant anything, so I decided to look up in the word flower in the dream dictionary. The dictionary had many different meanings, but the ones that stood out the most was flowering of a feeling, sense of beauty, quantity, or ability. The meanings differ as the shape of the flowers differ, but unfortunately I can't remember the exact shapes of the flowers I saw. Now, in between the flowers, a white box can be seen. This represents a dream that I had which was about myself trying to guard something very important inside a box without knowing what it was. The worst part about the dream was that when the object that I was guarding was about to be visible, my alarm clock went off, and unfortunately the dream ended there. Although I did not know what I was guarding or why I was guarding it, I felt as if it was something very important. Now on top of the box you can see a pig, a cat, and a dog. These animals represent a dream I had that was about going to the zoo. I saw all sorts of animals that I found amazing and entertaining. Although I did not see a pig, a dog, or a cat at the zoo, I found them necessary to represent animals. Now at the right side of the box you can see a woman holding hands with 2 children. Although they might not be related, I assume that the woman in the middle is holding hands with her granddaughter and grandson, which I can easily relate to the dream that I had. I have many dreams about my family. Usually they would be nice and calm dreams where my family and I would be having fun peacefully. Next, towards the middle, you can see a bag of Snickers. A dream that I had was about myself eating so much junk food that I gained tons of weight and then ended up floating away to the sky and not coming down. Although myself floating away is unrealistic, gaining tons of pounds from eating lots of junk food is realistic. I remember for a whole week after that dream, I didn't have any junk food. At the top right corner, you can see a bright red car. This car represents a dream that I had recently, which was about myself finally being able to drive. This dream might have taken place because I passed my learner's driving test on the day before going to sleep. Now under the car I attached a wine bottle. I have never gotten drunk or drank alcohol before, so it was interesting to have a dream about myself and a couple of my friends drinking. Next, you can see a clock in the top left corner of the box. This represents a dream I had which was about myself sleeping in and being late for something very important because I had set my alarm clock improperly. I woke up instantly and checked if I had set my clock properly. The last picture I have on my dream box, the colorful cups on the top left, doesn't represent a certain dream. It represents all the bright dreams that I've had in the past, and not just bright as in lights and colors, but bright as in happy and optimistic dreams that I've had. This concludes my dream box explanation. Thank you.